Next, we will demonstrate the cross stitch. Using 4 strands of floss, color number 6. It can be embroidered from left to right. You can also embroider from right to left. We will start from the right side. Bring the needle through above the line on the right. Then bring the needle down at the end of the line. Bring the needle through at the lower right corner. Bring the needle down at the upper end of its line. Let it form a crisscross pattern. Be careful not to pull the floss too tight. The first cross stitch is complete. Let's demonstrate it one more time. First stitch diagonally in the upper right. Pull the floss. Then stitch in the opposite direction. Bring the needle down. Let it form a crossed pattern. This is a very simple stitch. Just repeat the process. We can use it to stitch patterns and text. We can even stitch an entire picture. Bring the needle down here to secure the last stitch. This cross stitch is finished. Let's take a look at its effect.